Hello, how to solve for A and B in this equation? A plus B is equal to 6, AB is equal to 12. Solution. Then A plus B is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 12. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, A plus B is equal to 6. B is equal to 6 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 12. Now let us substitute for B here, which is 6 minus A. We have A bracket 6 minus A bracket is equal to 12. A multiplied by 6, this is 6A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 12. 6A minus A square, if you bring this to this side, become minus 12 is equal to 0. Let's put this in standard form. We have minus A square plus 6A minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let's divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. Then negative A squared divided by negative 1. This is A squared plus 6A divided by negative 1. This is negative 6A. Negative 12 divided by negative 1. This is plus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. From this equation, A is this, and B is this, and C is this. So we have A is equal to B, that is minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus C square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 12 over 2 multiplied by A is 1. A is equal to negative multiplied by negative 6. This is 6 plus or minus square root of negative 6 squared, that is 36, minus negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12, that is 48 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 48, that is negative 12 over 2. And this is same thing as 6 plus or minus square root of negative 12 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by negative 1 over 2. A is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4, that is 2, square root of negative 1, that is I, then square root of 3 over 2. This is same thing as 6 over 2 plus or minus 2I over 2 root 3. These two cancel these two. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. A is equal to 3 plus or minus I square root of 3. Therefore, A1 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 3 and A2 is equal to 3 minus I square root of 3. These are the values of A. Then we've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 6 minus A. Then B1 is equal to 6 minus A1 is 3 plus I square root of 3. B1 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus I square root of 3. B1 is equal to 3 minus I square root of 3. This is the value of B1. Now, B2 is equal to 6 minus A2. B2 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus I square root of 3. B2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus I square root of 3. B2 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 3. This is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1. This is equal to 3 plus I root 3, 3 minus I root 3. Then A2, B2. This is equal to 3 minus I root 3, 3 plus I root 3. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 6. AB is equal to 12. Now let's consider this using either A1, B1 or A2, B2. Then A plus B, this is 3 plus I root 3 plus 3 minus I root 3 must be equal to 6. This cancel this. Then we have 3 plus 3. This is 6 is equal to 6, which is true. Now let us consider this. AB, this is 3 plus I root 3 multiplied by 3 minus I root 3 must be equal to 12. 3 times 3, this is 9 minus 3 times I root 3. This is 3I root 3. Then I root 3 multiplied by 3. This is plus 3I root 3. I root 3 multiplied by minus I root 3. This is minus I square multiplied by root 3 square must be equal to 12. This cancel this. I square, this is minus 1. So we have 9. This cancel this. Minus multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 12. Minus times minus 1, this is plus 1. Then times 3, that is plus 3, plus 9. This is 12 is equal to 12, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.